In this video, I will show you my secret method of creating the best possible AI art. And let me tell you, it's not super hard. A quick warning before we start. With a tool this powerful at your disposal, you will be able to create mind-blowing illustrations and hyper-realistic photographs, impossible or very expensive to recreate in real life, and use it to start a side hustle that will bring you a lot of money or immensely boost your existing business. Not many people know about this yet, so don't miss your chance. To make things clear, it costs $50 a month for all the AI tools that we're going to use. But don't worry, I will also show you another way based on this method, which is completely free and will get you very similar results. So the best AI image generator at this moment is Midjourney AI version 5.1, which I use to generate the images in my videos. Previously, it had a free trial version, but now it is only available for a paid monthly subscription. The cheapest version you can get costs $10 per month, which is great if you want to try it just for fun. But if you want to use it for something more serious like content creation, it's not really worth it as it has a limited small number of image generations. So it's a better deal to go for the unlimited standard edition for $30 a month. You need to create a Discord account, add a server, and invite the Midjourney bot to that server. After purchasing the subscription, you can start generating the images by simply typing what's on your mind without any specific knowledge of prompt writing. The best part about Midjourney 5.1 compared to the older versions is that it's way better at understanding natural human language, and it adds its own creative spin to the images. Despite that, if we want to get the most out of it, knowing how to talk in AI language will help us get even better, more precise images. And for this purpose, we will use the best AI language model available, ChatGPT. I'm sure that at this point, you all know what ChatGPT is, so without getting into much detail, we will combine its power with Midjourney to create mind-blowing photorealistic images, exactly the way we want them to be. The latest and most advanced version of ChatGPT is GPT-4, which is available for $20 a month subscription. It can help us generate very specific and highly detailed images based on our description of what we want to get as an end result. The problem is that ChatGPT has no idea what Midjourney AI is. To solve this problem, we're going to use a new feature that has been added to ChatGPT Plus called plugins. We will need to add the photorealistic plugin, which will turn our messages into Midjourney prompts, specifying even the camera model, lens, aspect ratio, etc. We also need to paste this text from the document you find in the description so that it can understand the commands for Midjourney. If you want to learn how to do this all by hand without using ChatGPT and know what all these commands mean, subscribe to this channel, where I will make a full master guide on prompt writing for Midjourney. ChatGPT makes the process much easier and adds interesting details to the image. Let's type in something like a scene of a pack of wolves running across a frozen lake under the northern lights. Right now you can see the results and they really look amazing. With this method, you could create incredible digital artwork for your home, design eye-catching visuals for your website, or even sell your unique designs on digital marketplaces like Etsy. You can make a decent side hustle out of it or use it for your existing business. The only problem is the paywall of $50 a month, which not everyone can afford. That's why, with the premium version in my hands, I've been busy trying to get the same results using free AI tools. For that, we are going to use the free version of ChatGPT and a free AI image generator, Stable Diffusion. I'm going to make a full separate video for it, so subscribe to this channel, AI Catalyst, in order not to miss it, and check out the great art that I've created using the method in this video.